Hello, this is Tammy Hewlett with Swimming and Stamps, and this is my third video in the Backing Up series. And in this video, I am going to go over how you would go about restoring My Digital Studio to either a new computer or your existing computer in the event of a computer crash. So we're going to basically go in reverse. And I am going to assume that you've now put your backup drive onto your new computer and you're looking at it and you can see the software and updates that you've backed up. So what you want to do is copy the first the software and then the updates onto your new computer. So I'm going to click on the hard drive this time, and then I am going to open, let's see, sorry, hang on a second. Okay, so we're just going to basically drag the software into the downloads folder, and then we're going to drag the updater file into the downloads folder so that we're pretending like you have a brand new computer and you can look at your downloads folder and you're going to have the downloadable MDS executable file. You have to start the process by adding the software. So that's number one. So you would double click on this. That would start up the startup wizard and it's going to put the software back on your computer. Then you're going to come back to your downloads folder and you're going to double click on the updater file. I do need to add here too that I'm making this video on April 2nd, 2015. As of that time, this is the most recent update, which is 2.3.10. Keep looking at the mydigitalstudio.net site, because if Stampin' Up! Adds some more updates between now and May 31st, you would definitely want to copy that file onto your backup and restore with that more updated version, just in case they add something between now and when they take the site down. Anyway, okay, so back to the restoration process. Double click on this and put all your updates onto your, run through this. This is going to start a startup wizard and add the updates. Okay, so once you have your software and your updates, then the next thing you're going to want to do is add all your downloads. So again, you've got your backup, your external hard drive, and you can open up that folder and there's your components. Okay, so here's kind of the tricky part. You got to be really careful here. Go to your new computer, which is going to be your C drive, because again, we're restoring things at this point. We're going to put the components from your backup onto your C drive. Okay, so I've clicked on this folder that's now showing the entire components folder on the right, this middle screen of my computer. Okay, then I'm going to go over here to my C drive and I'm going to go down into the programs file, the 86. And we're going to go all the way down to My Digital Studio, because when you restore the software, it's going to put My Digital Studio onto your new computer, and it's going to have a components folder in there because the software comes with certain components. Okay, but this is like the basic components that came with the software. It's not this wonderful folder up here that includes all your downloads. So what you want to do is drag this folder, your backed up folder, into the My Digital Studio folder. Okay, not the components folder, the My Digital Studio folder. Okay, and I've got my finger pushed down on my my mouse right now. I'm not letting go because I just want to show you what you would do. Obviously, I'm not doing this right now because I don't have a computer crash, but I'm going to drag this over here so I can talk. If you dragged this components folder into the components folder, you're going to have a components folder under a components folder, and you don't want to do that. It would mix the program all up. That's why I'm telling you to drag it into the My Digital Studio folder, and that way you're basically replacing this starter components folder that came with the downloadable software. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's going to take a long time to put all those downloads in, but just be patient and let it run its course. Okay, once you're all finished with that, then we're going to go back to the backup folder, and the last thing you're going to do is copy in your projects. So you're going to click on the backed up projects folder, and then you're going to go up to your computer into your libraries, and again, when you load the software, it's going to put this folder into My Documents. There's not going to be anything in it yet. So what you want to do is highlight everything on your backed up copy. Just hit the shift key and go all the way to the end, and then drag that whole thing into My Digital Studio projects, and that will copy everything in that used to be there. Okay, so that's the process for restoring everything. Hope that's clear. And please, again, let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or if any of that was unclear. I would be more than happy to answer questions or make another video. Okay, good luck and thanks so much. Bye-bye.